Hello traders, you're welcome to my video on the ATR indicator, the indicator that helps you to get precise take profit levels. Okay, now one of the biggest challenges in trading is knowing when to exit a trade, right? Many traders exit too early and leave potential gains on the table, while others hold on too long and watch the market reverse against them. But what if you could take you could time your take profits with precision using one simple indicator? And in this video, we are breaking down how to use the ATR indicator to make smarter volatility-based exit decisions. Okay, if you are ready to improve your trading, hit that like button and subscribe for more expert trading tips. Now, the average true range indicator average true range indicator, you're going to see that this is also called ATR. This is actually average true range indicator. And then you can see that this is also an ATR indicator that gives us take profit and stop loss levels. You can see this is ATR. All right. Now this is the volatility based tool. Yeah, that is usually plotted on an indicator window. And then we are going to be looking at a strategy that also uses the ATR that gives us take profit and stop loss levels. All right. Now, unlike trend indicators like moving averages or RSI, the ATR does not show direction. Okay, it shows how much price typically moves in a given time frame. Now, this makes it an excellent tool for setting take profit and stop loss levels. Now, many traders make the mistake of guessing their take profit levels instead of basing them on market conditions. The ATR indicator solves this by identifying market volatility to set realistic take profit levels. Okay, helping traders adapt to different market conditions, preventing emotional exits by providing data driven trade management. So when you are using the ATR indicator, you can be able to identify market volatility. You can be able to set, realistic take profit levels. You can be able to adapt to different market conditions and prevent emotional exits because of the data-driven trade management. So instead of using a fixed take profit, ATR helps you adjust your targets dynamically based on real-time price movement. Now, if you want to use the ATR TNS, that is the take profit and stop loss indicator based on the ATR, okay, you can just also search for it on the indicators here and then you add it to your chart in addition to the volatility based oscillator that we have here. All right, now if you go to different time frames, you're going to notice that this indicator also adapts to different time frames. All right, you can see the SL is 0.08277, take profit 0.08609. Right, you can see that it has changed based on the time frame, right, and based on the ATR level that is identified on that time frame. Can you see? Based on the ATR level identified on that time frame, the indicator is going to give you signal for your take profit and your SL. Okay, that is the ATR TNS. Right, now let us break down step by step. Sorry about this. Let us break down step by step how to take advantage of this strategy. Basically, you should first of all apply the ATR indicator to your chart. You can apply both the ATR, the volatility based indicator in the indicator window. Just search for the average true range like you saw me do here. All right, when you do that, you add it to your chart, and then you can also search for the ATR, that for the T and S. Where is it? Okay, I don't know where the ATR T and S has disappeared to, but uh, uh I found it before. As you can see, that was what I added to the chart, right? But I don't know whether it's because I have added it already that it's not appearing. I don't really know if that's the reason, right? But if you can just search for it up there and then you add it to, let's just delete it. Let's try it, okay? Because I have to be sure of what I'm saying. Yeah. Wow, for real, I really don't know why the ATR TNS indicator is no longer appearing. I really do not know why. Yeah, I am surprised myself why why the indicator has suddenly disappeared. Or am I the one missing it? Am I the one missing it? Okay, I think it should be take and stop, something like that. Yes, ATR take and stop. Yeah, that's the indicator. ATR take and stop. So you can add both indicators to your chart. Okay. Then for the ATR volatility based indicator in the indicator window, you can actually leave the default setting set to 14, and then basically the two indicators, just leave them default. Okay. Then when you want to enter a trade, just ensure that you are trading in the direction of the trend. All right, make sure that you identify the trend. Once you have identified the trend, then you can look at the indicator here, check whether the value is rising. Okay, ensure that the average true range is rising in value, showing that the momentum is strong. And then once you have identified that, wait for the price. I'm going to recommend using price action, using trend lines, using the support levels, horizontal, take profit and support, horizontal support and resistance levels. Okay. I'm going to recommend using all those. All right. So when you notice that price is probably getting rejected around the particular level, and you notice that its ATR is going upwards, showing increase in momentum, then you can, when you look for candlestick confirmation and you get one, you can go ahead to enter your buy trade, and you can actually decide to use the take profit level given to you by the ATR TNS indicator. On the other hand, if you observe a sell trend, please make sure you always trade in the direction of the trend. Okay. If you observe the sell trend and you notice that the ATR value is rising, remember that the ATR does not give direction. Okay, so what you have to be looking out for is whether it is rising in a trending market. When it is rising in a trending market, it shows that that trend is strong. But when it is falling, it shows that the momentum is getting weaker. Okay, so when the ATR is rising in a sell trend, it shows that the momentum is quite strong. Then in that case, you now check out for candlestick confirmation, and then you can actually decide to use the TP and SL level by the ATR through and stop indicator. Okay, now in addition to that, you can actually decide to use the ATR with other indicators, just to refine your strategy. Okay, you can actually use the ATR alongside a moving average just to confirm trend direction before setting take profit. You can also use support and resistance levels, which I highly recommend. Your horizontal support and resistance levels. Avoid placing take profit near major support and resistance levels because the price could reverse. Okay, so instead, when you want to set your take profit, like let's say you want to set your take profit in a buy trade, you can actually decide to set it a little below that resistance level. Okay, because in case of if price reverses before it gets there, or just in case, right, to be on the safer side, okay, you can decide to just set it maybe a little bit before it, right, a little bit before it, or you can decide to okay, yeah. Or you can decide to use the take profit level given to you by the ATR TNS. All right, and then ensure you always look for candlestick confirmations that align with your ATR based take profit levels. Okay, so using these additional tools alongside ATR ensures that your exits are based on strong confluences rather than relying on just one indicator. The main reason this strategy can be effective is that it adapts to market conditions. A low ATR indicates low volatility, meaning that price is not moving much, while a high ATR shows strong volatility, meaning that price moves more aggressively. So this helps traders avoid random take profit levels and instead set targets that match the market's rhythm. Now you have a strategy for using the ATR indicator to time your take profit levels with precision. If you want to start making smarter exit decisions, you can consider applying this method to your trading and see how it improves your trade management. Okay, let me know in the comments how you use the ATR in your strategy. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more advanced trading strategies, tips, and indicators. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.